Want to know why you feel a bag of emotions when buying a house? Then stay tuned. 5. Feeling nervous is perfectly natural, especially if it's your first adventure in buying your first home. The process can take several months, and that's not including the search time itself, which could take months or even years. Terminologies used by estate agents, brokers, and conveyancers can be quite nerve-wracking. But don't worry, as these things will get familiar very quickly. 4. Being excited is a great feeling to have and can create butterflies when you least expect it. The thought you will have your own place one day, have friends and family round, make the place your own, and have space for some me time is all things worth getting excited for. When you are excited, the house can't come soon enough. Next, please support the channel and get notified of more videos by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, it's free. 3. Feeling flustered tends to come when there is a lot of choice and you're not quite sure what to do. There are so many houses on the market, you want to know which location works best for you, which conveyancer you can trust, or which broker can get you the best deals. Take a deep breath and take your time to consider all your options to settle those flustered moments. 2. Being cautious is the most sensible and logical thing to have by your side. Buying a house is a big decision with huge financial and emotional commitment, so the little details matter to ensure you're buying a great house with all the small details worked through, so leave nothing to surprise. 1. You should feel happy at some point during your journey, and will most likely come when you have all the support from your friends and family, your conveyancer, broker, and estate agent all in place, knowing they are all working in the same direction to get you through this journey. I want to know how you're feeling right now. Comment below and I'll catch you at the next one.